welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to make a video that I feel like can help everybody because I know what it's like to not want to study and to be stuck. So if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every Saturday, and make sure you stick around because I have a bonus hack at the end waiting for you. So with that being said, let's get right to the video. So number one, study only when you want to. If you know you don't feel like studying and you have a lot of things in your mind, I suggest you don't study. Do everything that keeps you distracted before studying. Otherwise, if you don't, while studying, you're not going to be able to focus because you keep getting distracted. I know what it's like to have that huge test tomorrow, but you just can't get yourself to study because you're not in the mood. So the best thing to do is close your notebook and take a break. Taking a break not only refuels your energy, but also gives you a second chance to kick that math test in the butt.
Watch a movie, have a snack, have another snack, and have another snack.
If there are certain words that you have difficulty remembering, just sing them in the tune of your favorite song or record them on your phone and listen to them before bed. One of my favorite methods of studying is pretending that I am the teacher.
This method is extremely effective because your brain is being tricked into believing that you're actually teaching a class, and you'll be able to remember what you taught on the test day.
So studies show that chewing gum is actually a brain booster and it helps you focus. Also, when taking the test, use the same flavor of gum you use because your brain will recognize the familiarity and you'll be able to remember the things you studied. If you know that there's a specific chapter that you have to finish, make a promise to yourself and tell yourself that you're not going to go to bed until you're done reading that chapter.
To make it easy for yourself, you can treat yourself by placing little chocolate bars on every paragraph, or use whatever you enjoy. To be honest, a lot of people say this hack works, but it doesn't for me because I end up eating the chocolate even if I haven't finished the paragraph. But maybe it'll work for you guys, and if it does, make sure you tell me in the comments below.
Give yourself little tests. This hack actually helps me out a lot.
So before I start studying, I basically go through the textbook and pick out the main key points and write them down as questions. When I'm done, I'll hide the paper away and study like I don't even know anything about the paper. Then when I'm done studying, I'll give myself a 5-minute break and do whatever honestly. And when that 5 minutes is up, I take out the paper and answer them. So basically what this hack does is that you get the feel of what the exam or test is going to feel like before it even happens. I don't stress. If you can't remember what you studied, it's okay. It happens. Just move on to the other questions before time runs out and go back to that one.
Okay, so this is the bonus hack and it's actually pretty cool. I tried it a while back and it works. So if you're like me and you suck so bad at math, or if you are just stuck in a math equation, you can go to Wolfram Alpha and it helps you with any equation, gives you the answers, and it also explains the question. Well guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Feel free to check out my other videos if you haven't. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every Saturday. Well, today technically isn't a Saturday, but I said it's supposed to be because I've been sick, and I should have said that in the beginning of my video, but I just said that now. I don't know. Well, just give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.